If you've ever wished that Jira could send out automatic emails exactly when you need them, like alerts for a new issue, updates on important transitions, or even custom notifications sent to the right people, today's video is your complete, up-to-date guide for 2024. By the end, you'll know how to set up powerful Jira automation rules to send customized emails, saving time and keeping your team in the loop without breaking a sweat. Let's jump right in. First off, we'll be working inside Jira's automation section. Automation rules give you really granular control, so you can decide not just when emails go out, but who gets them and exactly what they say. To get started, head over to your Jira project. Click on Project Settings. Then find the Automation tab. Once you're there, choose Create Rule. This is where the magic starts. Every automation rule begins with a trigger. Think of the trigger as the event that tells Jira, hey, now's the time to send out this email. You can pick from events like Issue Created if you want something sent out the moment a new ticket pops up, Issue Transitioned to notify someone when a ticket moves to a new status, or even Field Value Changed if you want to alert someone whenever a key detail is updated. Take a moment here to really think about what needs to prompt the email. This step ensures notifications go out at exactly the right moments, not too early and not too late. Next, we'll add the action, which is what Jira actually does once the trigger fires. Click on New Action and look for Send Customized Email. This is a versatile option that gives you a lot of flexibility. Maybe you want to email just the tickets assignee, maybe the whole watcher list, or perhaps a project manager who isn't usually involved. You can pick from user fields like assignee, reporter, or watchers. Select an internal group, or type in any specific email address, including people outside your team. It's great for keeping exactly the right folks in the loop every time. Now, let's spend a minute on the most important part, customizing the actual email. This is where you make sure the message is both informative and personal. Start with the subject line. You can use smart values. These are little codes like issued key or issue summary that automatically pull in details from the issue. For example, you might set your subject as update on issue /issue.key/issue.summary, so the recipient instantly knows what the email's about, no manual typing needed. In the body, you can add all the details your team usually asks for. Link to the issue, current status, who's assigned, and so on. It feels just like writing a regular email, but with the power of automation. Take your time as you configure these details. Don't worry if you need to edit or test a few times to get it right. A well-crafted email reduces confusion and keeps everyone focused on what matters. Once you're happy with how your rule looks, there's just one last step. Give your rule a name that makes sense. Something like Notify Assignee on Transition to In Progress is perfect. Then hit Save and Publish. This activates the rule and puts it into action for your project right away. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you've unlocked a more efficient way to use Jira, keeping your team informed automatically and reducing repetitive work. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, leave any questions or tips you run into in the comments below, and of course, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!